like this or something. No. What do you look like? Well, he was round and he furry and he had some strange eyes. Strange eyes, yeah. Strange, real strange? Yeah. Maybe we ought to find this guy. I know. Let's follow the cord. Let's follow the wire. And we'll find him. We'll find him.
Oh.
Hello? Hi? Hey, you. Hey. Hi. Hey. I'm Scrooge.
Whoa.
I'm a fella who let you use my outlet. Yeah, that's it. Well, let me ask you something.